guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate these panels that come with the easel using some stuff you probably already have around your shop. So let's get started. Our Chromaluxe Hardboard photo panels with the easels come in a few different configurations. We have them with the curve and without the curve. They come in a 5x7, 6x6, 8x10, and 10x10. To sublimate our Chromaluxe Hardboard photo panel, I brought a couple of different things. I have my photo panel, my image, some scissors, a mouse pad, some protective paper, and Pro Spray. You know, I get asked all the time, how do you work with these products that come with their own easels? So I was going to take a second and show you a trick that we do here at Condé. In order to get a good image on the hardboard, it needs to lay flat in the press so that it gets good contact against the heat platen. So to do that, I'm just going to cut a little slit in the mouse pad so that the easel sits in it. I have this old mouse pad that I've had laying around the shop. I'm just going to place my easel on it, make a couple of guidelines so I know about where to cut. It doesn't have to be exact. And then take my scissors and cut it. I'm going to place my easel back in to make sure it fits. Everything is nice and flat. And essentially, I've created a jig that we'll be able to use over and over again for any of our easeled panels. Now that my mouse pad is cut, we're going to move over to the product. I always like to take my image and hover it under an open heat press for a couple of seconds. That's going to dry any excess moisture that might be left on the paper and also make sure that I get a really good image. This product has a protective peel coat, so you want to make sure to remove it first because leaving it on could ruin your image and would certainly damage your press. Next, spritz your transfer with Pro Spray and line up your image. Now we're ready to move to the press. So now that I'm at the press, the first thing I want to do is lay down a piece of protective paper. I'm going to follow that with my mouse pad jig, and then my image and my product. So this is going to be image face down, product face up. And I want to stick the easel in the jig. Make sure everything is nice and flat. Cover it with a piece of protective paper and press it. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. Well, this looks really good, and my jig made sure that everything stayed in place and it sublimated really well. So I just sublimated my product and it turned out great. I can reuse this mouse pad jig over and over again for any product that has an easel. Be sure, if you use this tip, to use a thicker mouse pad as that's going to give you an even field for sublimation. So I hope this tip helped you out, and be sure to check Condé TV for all of our latest tips and tricks. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.